Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play the exciting Dragonwood game. First, let's get set up for adventure. You'll need the Adventurer deck, the Dragonwood deck, and 6 custom dice. Begin by shuffling the Adventurer deck and dealing 5 cards to each player. Next, shuffle the Dragonwood deck and place 5 cards face up in a row to create the landscape. Finally, ensure the 6 dice are accessible to everyone. Now you're ready to begin your quest. Once the game is set up, players take turns deciding between 2 actions, reloading or capturing. If you choose to reload, simply draw 1 adventurer card from the deck, but be mindful of the 9-card hand limit. If you have 9 cards and draw another, you must discard 1. Alternatively, you can attempt to capture a creature or enhancement from the landscape by playing specific card combinations from your hand. To capture a Dragonwood card, you'll use one of 3 attack types: strike, stomp, or scream. A strike requires playing cards of the same number, like 3 sevens. For a stomp, play cards of the same color in numerical order, such as a red 5, 6, and 7. A scream uses cards in numerical order, regardless of color, like a 1, 2, and 3. You then roll 1 die for each card played, adding any enhancement bonuses, and compare your total to the card's capture value. The game ends when both formidable dragons are captured, or if the Dragonwood deck is depleted. At this point, all players count the victory points displayed on their captured creature cards. An additional 3-point bonus is awarded to the player who captured the most creatures. Finally, the adventurer with the highest total of victory points is crowned the winner of Dragonwood. Good luck on your quest.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.